Yo guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at this little camera or smartphone holder, or I don't know what you want to call it. That's what I call it. And as you see, we already got it attached. This is like our old one, which is or did pretty good job for us. As you can see, this little claw here is holding your smartphone, and you can tilt it in any direction that you want, which is quite straightforward. Got some nice material in the center here so your phone is not getting damaged or scratched, and it just adjusts to the size of your phone. And back here you can actually rotate it in any angle you want. The whole arm itself is also flexible. As you can see here, we can tilt it any way we want it to be, which is kind of nice. You can just adjust it to the matter or course that you are needing it for. So that's pretty straightforward. And to remove it or place it somewhere else, you just have to grab the grip here, twist it, turn it, whatever, to open that whole thing up, just like that. And then you are able to remove it. And as you see, so you won't damage your wooden desk or something, there's also a bunch of cushion down there, so that's also a good part, so you don't damage anything while recording. So yeah, that's pretty much what this is all about. My name is Badger. I will see you around in the next video. Until then, take care and have a good day. Bye bye.